Hi there. Today let's talk about a concerning reality in Indian media. Media trials are less about truth and more about strategy. Traditional news channels run on TRP, not facts, turning journalism into monetized drama. Why was Vijay Mallya relentlessly hounded? Because he made uh, he made money. Let's unpack how outrageous this has become as a product. Now, I'm Shuridas, and let's be frank. Media trials in India are not about seeking truth; they are strategic maneuvers. Traditional news channels sadly don't operate on journalistic integrity, and their primary driver is TRP, television rating points. Now, more TRP mean more viewers, which directly translates to higher ad revenue. Now, that's the business model, not journalism, not facts, not eyeballs. Now, ask yourself, why was Vijay Mallya hounded 24/7 by Indian media despite his ongoing court case? The answer is simple: he made them money. A rich, controversial man in expensive suits, living abroad, and seemingly drinking champagne, he was the perfect villain for primetime drama. And he boosted viewership and increased viewership directly, and it directly boosted the ad rates also, the ad revenue. The actual truth or nuance of the legal proceedings became completely irrelevant. Now, in this landscape, truth becomes a liability when outrage is the primary product. Now, nuance doesn't trend. Hate, unfortunately, it does trend. As long as this structure persists where engagement is king and advertisers hold sway over the newsroom, media trials will continue to replace genuine legal trials. We are no longer watching news in the traditional sense. We are watching a highly monetized drama designed purely for commercial gain rather than public enlightenment, bringing public awareness. And this fundamental shift in media priorities has profound, huge implications for justice and public discourse. I'll try to explain through the graphically TRP driven model. Now, news runs on viewership, not facts. Revenue focus is more on viewers, higher because it generates high ad revenue. The Mallya case study shows that it's hounded for TRP, not just for justice. It's outrageous as a product. Truth becomes liability, nuance is completely ignored. It's kept aside. Advertisers' influence, engagement is king, overriding the journalism. Media trials, it's replacing legal trials, monetized drama. Now, the transformation of news into monetized drama, it's completely driven by TRP, is a dangerous trend that completely puts down public trust and judicial processes. When outrage is the product, genuine journalism suffers like anything. It gets killed. It's crucial for consumers to recognize the shift and demand better solutions for the right kind of journalism, which should be pursued seriously. What are your thoughts on holding media accountable for sensationalism? Share your views, share your thoughts. Let's have a debate, healthy discussion. Do like, share, and subscribe our channel.